Kia ora! This is G&J's vlog for the 27th of January. And today we went mountain biking, which was super cool. And unfortunately, our sister Grace here has injured herself. How do you feel, Grace? Yeah, but it's okay. She's managing, so fingers crossed her x-rays come back all clear. But she's doing really well with just her left hand. So God be with you for tomorrow while you work, and bless Lillian for driving her, because call myself a nurse, but am I really a good one? No.
Yes, she is.
Aw, thanks, girl. Yeah, I got you, girl. Anywho, we'll stay updated, see what's happening next on G&J's vlog.